Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to upgrade your nighttime driving experience? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best LED headlights of 2025, the brightest, boldest, and most reliable options to light up your ride like never before. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. So let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5, the LastFit LED headlight bulbs. These bad boys are all about plug-and-play simplicity with zero flickering and built-in cooling. With 6000K bright white light, you'll see everything from sneaky potholes to wildlife crossing your path. Perfect for anyone upgrading from dull halogens. The LastFit 194 LED bulb, the ultimate upgrade for brilliant, reliable illumination. Whether you're looking to enhance your license plate light, dome light, map light, trunk, or cargo area, this powerful little bulb is built to shine. Each bulb is equipped with advanced 3030 SMD LED chips, delivering a crisp 6000K white light with an impressive 400 lumens of output. With a 360 degrees lighting angle, you get a perfect beam pattern and no dark spots, making it easy to spot misplaced items or navigate your vehicle at night with confidence. Designed for ultimate convenience, the LastFit 194 LED features a 1:1 halogen size, non-polarity design, and easy plug-and-play installation. Just pop it in and you're ready to go. No tools, no flipping, no fuss. It fits a wide range of sockets including T10, 168, 194, 2825, W5W, and more. Installation tip. If it feels snug, just give it a firm push to seat it properly. From license plates to map lights, courtesy lights, and glove box illumination, this LED bulb is as versatile as it is bright. Just make sure to check your vehicle's manual or existing bulb size to ensure a perfect fit. Worried about error codes or flickering? Don't be. LastFit's canvas-compatible design works flawlessly with 98% of vehicles, minimizing interference and error messages. Plus, built-in mini fuses protect against sudden power surges, ensuring a safe and stable performance. With efficient heat dissipation and low power consumption, this LED bulb is engineered for durability, rated for over 30,000 hours of use. And with a 1-year warranty, LastFit has your back from install to long-term performance. Coming in hot at number 4, the Huster 7-inch Halo LED headlights. Jeepers and truck lovers, this one's for you. These lights are not just about brightness, they're about style. The DRL Halo rings look insanely cool, and the super focused beam pattern ensures you're not blinding other drivers. The 2023 Best Value LED headlight upgrade, designed for serious drivers who want serious performance. Engineered for Jeep Wrangler JK, JKU, TJ, LJ, and widely compatible with Chevy, Ford, GMC, Dodge, Nissan, Mazda, Mack, VW, and more. These lights are DOT approved and road ready, delivering an incredible 10,000 lumens on high beam and 7,000 lumens on low. These headlights are 1,000% brighter than standard halogen bulbs. Thanks to the advanced optical system, you get a perfect Z-shaped cutoff line that ensures a wide, uniform spread of light without blind spots or glare, so you can see clearly without dazzling oncoming traffic. With a sturdy 4.63 pounds per pair construction, these headlights aren't just bright, they're tough. They feature an IP67 waterproof rating, military-grade durability, and a modern look that instantly upgrades the aesthetic of your ride. From rainy nights to rugged off-road trails, these lights are made to withstand the elements. Forget complicated wiring or frustrating setups. The Huster 7-inch headlights come with a plug-and-play design for a hassle-free installation in minutes. Compatible with H6024, 6014, 6015, 6016, and PAR 56 headlamp models, they fit seamlessly into a wide range of vehicles. These headlights are equipped with the latest anti-aging circuitry and superior heat dissipation technology to ensure long-term performance. Unlike cheap alternatives, Huster lights maintain full brightness year after year without dimming over time. Safety is non-negotiable. These headlights are officially DOT/SAE approved and searchable under the code DOT/SAEMPHLMS 99112E22, unlike imitation DOT markings on inferior products. Sliding into number 3, the CareFX Pro Fit LED headlight bulbs. If you love efficiency and clean performance, this is your match. With up to 20,000 lumens and an ultra-slim design, these LEDs offer crystal clear visibility without any annoying dark spots. They're also CAN-bus ready, so no error codes, just pure driving bliss. The CareFX 2024 Future Pro Fit 9012/HIR 2 LED headlight bulbs combo, delivering game-changing brightness, enhanced safety, and long-lasting reliability. Designed for drivers who demand more from their headlights, these bulbs offer an exceptional combination of power, precision, and performance. With advanced CSP LED chips and a 6000K cool white light, these headlights deliver up to 400% more brightness than stock halogen bulbs. Each bulb produces a blinding yet balanced up to 52,000 lumens, ensuring crystal clear visibility on the darkest roads. Whether you're navigating city streets or rugged country roads, these bulbs light up everything ahead and to the sides. Say goodbye to dark spots and scattered beams. The ProFit light beam design ensures sharp cutoff lines and even light distribution, improving visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. See wildlife, road hazards, and curves earlier and drive more confidently in any condition. Installation takes just minutes. The 1:1 halogen bulb size means no modifications, no dust cover issues, and no headaches. These bulbs are canvas-ready and compatible with 98% of vehicles, reducing flicker and dashboard error warnings. Note: some vehicles may require additional resistors or error cancelers. Thanks to a high-efficiency cooling system featuring a vacuum cooling duct, 32 heat sink fins, and a 14,000 RPM fan, these bulbs stay cool under pressure. The result? Over 50,000 hours of consistent lighting. That's years of dependable performance. Many bulbs burn out due to high startup current, but not the CareFX Future Pro Fit. With a robust 6A overload capacity, these bulbs are engineered to resist burnout, even in the harshest conditions. And number 2, meet the Seite X6S LED headlight bulbs. These are the techie's dream. You're getting 600% more brightness than standard halogens, built-in turbofans for cooling, and a beam that's laser precise. Great for highway cruising or off-roading in style. These lights will have you wondering how you ever lived without them. The Seite X6S 9005/HB 3 and 9006/HB 4 LED headlight bulb combo. With a staggering 900% brightness increase, these ultra-bright bulbs bring unmatched clarity and safety to every journey, all while giving your vehicle a sleek, modern upgrade. Harnessing the latest chip technology, the Seite X6S bulbs deliver a jaw-dropping 80,000 lumens of cool, white 6000K light. Whether you're navigating dark highways or foggy backroads, these bulbs cut through the darkness with ease, offering a clear, powerful beam that mimics daylight, all while drawing less power than traditional halogens. Harnessing the latest chip technology, the Seite X6S bulbs deliver a jaw-dropping 80,000 lumens of cool, white 6000K light. Whether you're navigating dark highways or foggy backroads, these bulbs cut through the darkness with ease, offering a clear, powerful beam that mimics daylight, all while drawing less power than traditional halogens. The X6S LED bulbs are engineered for a precise beam pattern with a sharp cutoff line, ensuring maximum visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Wider, farther, and safer. They give you the confidence to react quickly to any road condition. No tools, no adapters, no stress. Designed with a true 1:1 size match to stock halogen bulbs, the Seite X6S offers a seamless plug-and-play installation. Just replace, click, and go in less than 5 minutes. Thanks to dual copper heat pipes and a high-speed 25,000 RPM cooling fan. The X6S maintains an ideal operating temperature, extending its lifespan to an impressive 60,000 plus hours. Drive for years without worrying about replacements. Compatible with 99.9% of vehicle systems. These bulbs work without error codes, radio interference, or annoying flickering. They're as smart as they are powerful. And topping our list at number 1, the Hikari Ultra LED headlight bulbs. These are not just headlights. They're a revolution in visibility. With ultra-thin heat sinks, high-density LED chips, and a whopping 18,000 lumens, these bulbs blow everything else out of the water. The Hikari 2025 Core H11 LED bulbs, engineered for drivers who demand maximum brightness, precision, and reliability. Equipped with upgraded Core 12 LED chips, these bulbs deliver an astonishing 25,000 lumens of ultra-bright 6,000K cool white light, turning night into day and giving you the confidence to handle any road condition. Each bulb features 12 high-performance LED chips, strategically positioned to create a focused, glare-free beam pattern. Whether you're cruising through dark highways, heavy rain, or dense fog, these lights provide enhanced visibility exactly where you need it, without dazzling oncoming traffic. Thanks to its super-thin chip design, the Core H11 produces a concentrated beam with a crisp cutoff line, ideal for rainy, foggy, and low visibility conditions. It ensures that every inch of the road ahead is clearly lit, while keeping glare under control for safer driving in any weather. The 1:1 halogen-sized design allows for a hassle-free, plug-and-play installation, no tools, modifications, or wiring headaches. Simply replace your old halogen bulbs and enjoy instant upgrades in both style and performance. Crafted from premium materials and paired with a high-efficiency cooling system, these bulbs are built for endurance. Say goodbye to frequent replacements. The Core H11 LED kit is designed to shine for 50,000 plus hours without fading. Engineered with built-in canvas technology, these bulbs are compatible with 99% of vehicles without triggering error codes or causing flickering. That's our countdown of the top 5 best LED headlights in 2025. Which one are you grabbing for your ride? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an upgrade.